Did you know that Funded Pips has just launched their new 2.5 step account? Let me show you guys how to get it. So you open your browser, either Siri, Google, Chrome, whatever it will work. Then you search up Funded Pips. Right, Funded Pips. For me, mine I've already decided there. I often will use it. So you just enter, and I'll show you guys how to register in order to get the 2.5k funded account. So you just tap it to pop up. You just tap it. You just wait through. Then this is the new theme that Funded Pips just launched recently. This is the new updated version where you have to just slope down. You just have to slope down, and you can see the 2.5k here, but I'll expand it more. But here are the rules of this 2.5k pro farm at only $16, as you can see. So now, like, the profit target you should hit is about 6%. This is the profit target, but the percentage target you need on phase 1 is 6%. Then phase 2 is 6%, but the daily drawdown is 6%. That's the max drawdown is 6%. Then the daily drawdown is 6%. Minimum trading days is about 1 day. You just need to open 1 day, guys. Then the profit split is 60. But if you are saying that you cannot manage a daily 3% daily drawdown, then I have another stuff for you. Remember, this was a pro, but this is standard. Standard is best good for beginners. You can go to 2.5k, but in this case it's coming is $21. But I'll show you guys how you can get it at literally $17. So let's go to the rules of this. This is different. This is very different. So step 1, profit target. Step phase 1 is about 8% profit target. You can go to 10%, but in this case it's 8%. Then step 2 is 5%, where you have to pass phase 1. Step 2, then you can go to the master account, where you are required to not make any profit target. Whatever you make is yours. But now let's go to the max daily loss. The money, the percentage you should not lose to bleach the account or to blow the account is 10% of 2.5k. So that's like about $250. You should not lose $250. Then you should not lose 100. You should not lose 5%. That's $125 in 1 day. And the minimum trading days is one three three 3 days trading days. So it's different than the other one. The other one is one day. This one is two days. So now the profit split remains as 80% profit split. So these are the rules that you need to know. You have to first sign in, then come this side. You can press create an account, then you enter, and boom, we have just entered like this. So now I'll show you guys how to purchase it, where you have to just press challenge. You just have to press challenge, and here if you are to check, you see the challenge. That's the 2.5k challenge. And the reason why I say it's a good idea purchasing a 2.5k challenge is because if you cannot pass a 5k account, if you cannot pass a 5k account, then try a 2.5k account, because it's much more easier to purchase it, to purchase and pass it. And the price is quite affordable. The price is at $21, but using the code hello it becomes $17. Let me put the promo code for you guys, hello. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button, guys. It only takes to subscribe. So it comes like $16, 16.8, where everyone watching this video is much more affordable. But we can get it actually by less than $16 by doing this, by hitting step 2 pro. This is the pro version of it. and if you are to use the same code hello, it will take it to $12. This is how it is. Yes, by using the code hello, you get it at 12.8. And go right now. Go right now to your browser and write foundedpips.com. If it works out, comment this very video and tell me it has worked out.